Do you love potatoes as much as I do? Well, what if I told you that you could grow your own potatoes for free using just scraps? It's true. With a little bit of patience and care, you can transform those potato scraps into a bountiful harvest of delicious spuds. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Pick a potato or a few, making sure that they have at least one eye. Step 2. Put them aside and leave them until they've gone soft and have sprouted. Step 3. Prepare a large container or a raised bed with well-draining soil. Place the potatoes in a hole about 4 inches deep in the soil and cover the potato with soil up to the stems. Step 4. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soaked. Water the potato scraps regularly, especially during dry periods. Step 5. As the potato plants grow, mound soil around the stems to encourage more tuber formation. This will give you a larger yield. Step 6. Harvest your potatoes when the plants start to die back and the skins are firm. Gently dig around the plants and collect your free, homegrown potatoes. Growing your own potatoes from scraps not only saves you money, but it's also a fun and rewarding experience. Plus, you get to enjoy the satisfaction of growing your food from start to finish. So why not give it a try? Start saving your potato scraps today and watch them transform into a bounty of fresh spuds right in your own backyard. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy potato growing!